OnePlus 11 is a flagship smartphone that was announced in January 2023. It has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is the first chip to support ray tracing and Wi-Fi 7. It also has up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. One of the main features of OnePlus 11 is the third generation Hasselblad camera for mobile, which has a 50MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. The camera system is hardware-assisted by a dedicated ISP chip and AI algorithms to deliver stunning photos and videos. The front camera is a 16MP selfie shooter. The OnePlus 11 also has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 80W SUPERVOOC wired charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. It also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The phone has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, an IP64 rating for water and dust resistance, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus 11 runs on Oxygen OS 13 based on Android 13, which offers a smooth and customizable user experience. The phone comes in 3 colors: Eternal Green, Lunar Silver, and Midnight Black. The starting price of the OnePlus 11 is $699 for the 8GB per 128GB variant.